Hey, Piggy. Yes. Well, today's weather is so nice. We are at the park today. I know. Well, you know what? Besides going on the slides, on the swing, we can also bring something here to play with. Huh? What did you bring? I brought a mystery box. It's called Alphabet Mystery Box for you. I'm so excited! Can I open it? Of course you can. Alright, I'm going to open it now. Look at that! Wow! Alphabet Mystery Box! Let me take it out! Alright, Piggy, we got the mystery box and there's also a play mat. So now, I'm going to help you pull some toys out from this box and then you tell me which alphabet it belongs to, okay? Oh my goodness, that sounds fun! Let me get some toys from the box now. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Okay, what's the first thing you are going to get? I got a yo-yo. Look at that. I got a yo-yo. So which letter do you think you're going to put it on? I am going to put it on the letter Y. I guess that's right. I want to do the next one. Of course you can. Let's get the next one. What you got? I got a kite. I think I'm going to put the kite on the letter K. I think you're right. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay. What's next? I think I got a pie. Oh, a pie. I wonder what letter it starts with. I think it's the same as my name, Piggy. It starts with letter P. Alright, I think you're exactly right. Let's do the next one. What you got? I got the xylophone. Alright, I think xylophone is... Which letter do you think it belongs to? I think letter X. Okay, go for it. Let's do the next one. What you got? Egg. Yes, I got egg. I think I'm going to put it on letter E. Okay. Piggy, what's next? I got the sun. Where do you think you're going to put the sun? I think I'm going to put it on letter S. Okay, letter S. Let's look for it together. There it is. Sun. Okay. What's next? You go for it, okay? Alright. I got an igloo. I'm going to put it on the letter I. What are you going to get? I don't know. Oh, it's a big one. I got a goat. I'm going to put it on letter G. Letter G, okay. Let's find it together. Letter G. Okay, the goat is here. Okay. Oh, looks like it's a jeep. Yeah, it's a jeep. Where should I put it? I think it belongs to letter J. Okay, right here. I got it. I see you got something yummy in your hand. What's that? It's a cookie. cookie. Okay. I think it starts with letter C. You agree? Yes, yes, yes. Letter C. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay. Oh, you drop it. It's okay though. What you got? I got the umbrella. I'm going to put it on the letter U. Okay. Okay, what's this? I think I got I don't know what it is. I think it's a bike. Oh, okay, it's a bike. Let's put it on letter B. Okay. B. What's this? I think it's an alligator. I think you're right. Let's put the alligator on letter A. A. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay. What you got? It makes the sounds of quack, 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 quack. Oh, okay. I think you got a duck. Let me see. Yes, it's a duck. I think it goes on letter D. Okay. D. Okay, Piggy, now what? I think I got another animal. Show me. There it is. It's a zebra. Yes, a zebra. It starts with letter C. Okay, letter Z. Z. I don't know what that is. I guess it's hose. The one that you use it in the garden. Oh, I see. I think it starts with the letter H. I agree. Okay, let's put it on. H. Oh. Upside down. Okay, turn it around. I think I got a mailbox. That's right, mailbox. Letter M. M. Ooh, you got a van. Yes, letter V. V. What's this? Oh, turn it around. It's a radio! Okay, radio. Let's put it on letter R. R. What's in your hand, Peggy? It's a fish. Fish. I think it goes on letter F. You think so? Yes. F. What's this? Oh, octopus. I think it goes on letter O. That's right, letter O. What's that? It's upside down. Let me fix it. I guess it's a ladybug. Is that right? Yes, I think so. Let's put it on the letter L. Okay. L. What do you have in your hand? It's a nest. I think so. I think it goes on letter N. What do you think, Peggy? Yeah, I think so too. N. What about this one? It's upside down. Okay, fix it. It's a turtle! Little turtle. Little turtle should start with the letter T. Yes, let's put it on letter T. T. Okay. Looks like you got something yummy over there. What do you have? I have watermelon. Oh, watermelon. Okay. I think it starts with the letter W. I think so too. Let's put it on letter W. W. Okay, we don't have many left. I guess we have only one left. Yeah. Let me find it, okay? Yes, I got the last one. It's a small one. What's that? I think there's a queen on the cone. And it starts with the letter Q. Can you put it on the Q, please? Yes, for sure. Q. Okay, we are all done with the alphabet mystery box. Hey, Piggy, before we put the toys away, let's look again, okay? Alright. A. Alligator. A. B. Bike. B. Cookie. C. Cookie. Duck. D. Duck. Egg. E. Egg. Fish. F. Fish. Goat. G. Goat. Hose. H. Hose. Igloo. I. Igloo. Jeep. J. Jeep. Kite. K. Kite. Ladybug. L. Ladybug. Mailbox. M. Mailbox. Nest. N. Nest. Octopus. O. Octopus. Pie. P. Pie. Queen. Q. Queen. Radio. R. Radio. Sun. S. Sun. Turtle. T. Turtle. Umbrella. U. Umbrella. Van. V. Van. Watermelon. W. Watermelon. Xylophone. X. Xylophone. Yo-yo. Y. Yo-yo. Zebra. Z. Zebra. All right. We take all the toys out. Thank you, Piggy. You are welcome. How about we sing a song together? Let's sing the alphabet song. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.